In last video, I was explained about that how to present the subscription account in income and expenditure account. Any type of adjustment is given, so how we are going to show that adjustment with the subscription in income and expenditure account. Today I am going to solve some question by which you will understand how to present this subscription in income and expenditure account with his adjustment. For that I am taking one question. Just see this question. Question is, what amount will be credited to the income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2019 on the basis of following information here given. Outstanding subscription for 1/1/2018 15,000 and 31st 3 2019 18,000. Okay, then subscription received during the year 2018-19, that is the current year, 1,80,000. Okay, clear this question. Subscription received 1,80,000. Okay, and outstanding subscription for the last year 15,000 and current year 18,000. Now we are going to see how to solve this question. Just see, in income and expenditure account, first we are showing buy subscription 1,80,000, buy subscription 1,80,000 in income side. Then add outstanding subscription current year, it means 31/3/2019 18,000. Then total amount is 1,98,000. After that, less outstanding subscription previous year 1/3/2018 15,000, and after that total amount transfer outside 1,83,000. This is the process for solving this income and expenditure account. First we are showing buy subscription 1,80,000, then add outstanding subscription current year 18,000, then less outstanding subscription previous year 15,000, and so outside that amount 1,83,000. This is the way by which we are presenting. Okay, for more understand, we are going for one more question, and question is, just see, it's a one illustration for NCERT question book. As per receipts and payment account for the year ended on 31st March 2017, subscription received were rupees 2,50,000. Additional information given is following. First, subscription outstanding on 1/4/2016 rupees 50,000. Subscription outstanding on 31st 3/2017 rupees 35,000. The next, subscription received in advance as on 1/4/2016 rupees 25,000, and subscription received in advance as on 31st 3/2017 rupees 30,000. In this question we are going to make income and expenditure account, so this subscription in income and expenditure account, and also show the balance sheet of opening and closing. Now we are going to solve this question, and for solving, just see, income and expenditure account. First, we are just showing buy subscription 2,50,000, then add outstanding subscription 35,000 current year, then add advance subscription previous year. Current year outstanding we are adding, and advance previous year advance we are adding 25,000, total 3,10,000. Then next, less outstanding subscription for previous year. Outstanding subscription for previous year 50,000, and then less advance subscription for current year. Advance subscription for current year, that amount is 30,000, and then total amount outside 2,30,000. By this way we are solving the question for income and expenditure account, and in this income and expenditure account we are showing this subscription, we are adding outstanding current year, add previous year less, advance current year less, and previous year add. Okay, by this we have solved the question. Next, next we are going to make the balance sheet, and in this balance sheet first we are going to show the balance sheet of 2016. Liability side we are showing advance subscription 25,000, and asset side outstanding subscription 50,000. Then in the balance sheet of 2017 we are just showing advance subscription 30,000 and outstanding subscription 35,000. By this way we are showing this outstanding and advance in the balance sheet of current year and last year. This is the way by which we are showing the all adjustment, subscription, advance, prepaid, outstanding, all the things we are showing in income and expenditure account and balance sheet. I think you will understand these things. After this you can try to solve the question of NCERT and DKOLs. In DKOL I think you will try the question from 11 to 16, and in NCERT some illustration is there and some question is there. You can try these all. Okay, thank you.